Nagpur. The old city is not only known for its citrus fruits but also for its vibrant food culture. From fine dining to casual eateries, the city has a diverse range of restaurants that offer rich flavors and warm hospitality. Here are the top 10 restaurants in Nagpur you must visit. The first one is Barbecue Nation. Barbecue Nation is one of the most popular buffet chains in India and a favorite in Nagpur for its live grill dining. Guests love the endless vegetarian and non-vegetarian starters, delicious main course, and wide variety of desserts. The ambience is modern and lively, making it perfect for families, groups, and celebrations. The second one is Barbecueville. Barbecueville offers Nagpur locals an excellent buffet and grill experience at pocket-friendly prices. With juicy kebabs, smoky tikkas, and freshly grilled seafood are especially loved. The staff is friendly, ensuring quick refills and warm hospitality. The third one is Veeraswamy Restaurant. Veeraswamy is one of the Nagpur's oldest and most loved dining spot known for its authentic Indian curries and biryanis. Their butter chicken and kebabs are highly recommended. The restaurant has a traditional ambience with simple seating but focuses on food quality and taste. The fourth one is Barbecue Restaurant. Located inside Hotel Truly Imperial, this restaurant is famous for its premium fish bread and multi-cuisine offerings. Guests enjoy North Indian, Mughlai, and Chinese specialties in a luxurious setting. The interior are elegant and service is refined, making it a great spot for business, dinners, and celebrations. The fifth one is Nanking Chinese Restaurant. Nanking is a go-to place for authentic Chinese food in Nagpur. With a legacy of decades, it serves flavorful noodles, soups, and gravies that are consistent in quality. The ambience is cozy and is a top choice for families craving Indo-Chinese flavor. The next one is Haldiram's Planet Food. Haldiram's is a synonymous with quality vegetarian food in Nagpur. From chaat and thalis to sweets and snacks, it offers a wide variety under one roof. The restaurant is spacious, hygienic, and always buzzing with families. The next one is Ashoka Restaurant. Ashoka Restaurant offers a mix of North Indian and Chinese dishes in a clean, welcoming atmosphere, where vegetarian and non-vegetarian curries along with soft tandoori rotis are loved by regulars. The next one is the Creative Kitchen. For a fine dining experience, the Creative Kitchen is a top choice. Located inside Radisson Blu, it offers global cuisine in a stylish modern setting. Guests enjoy lavish buffet, a la carte dishes, and live counters. The second last is Thought Path Restaurant. Thought Path is a pure vegetarian restaurant specializing in unlimited thalis. The food is served in traditional style with multi varieties of dal, sabzis, bread, sweets, and more. The staff serve with warmth, ensuring guests feel at home. The last one is Barbecue Singh. Barbecue Singh is a new age 50 restaurant in Nagpur, gaining popularity for its wide variety of grill starters and desserts. The ambience is vibrant and the service is quick and friendly. With affordable buffet pricing, it is hit among young groups and families.